This OWINUSTECH 32-foot solar cable kit gives you generous reach between rooftop panels and your charge controller or power station without noticeable power loss for typical small systems. The thick 10 American wire gauge, copper conductors, and ultraviolet resistant polyethylene jacket feel robust in hand and are clearly built to handle outdoor exposure for many years. Red and black insulation makes it very easy to keep positive and negative runs straight, which helps prevent wiring mistakes during installation or later maintenance. Pre-installed universal solar connectors on both ends click together firmly, unplug without a fight, and include sealing rings that keep moisture and dust out in wet conditions. The cable remains flexible enough to route cleanly even in colder weather, while still feeling tough against abrasion on roof edges and mounting hardware. Overall, this kit is a dependable, safety-tested choice for extending photovoltaic wiring on cabins, recreational vehicles, and backyard solar projects.